Hey, today we're learning the phrase ease somebody into something. It means to help someone get used to something new slowly. Think about starting a new job. You don't do everything at once. Your boss helps you step by step. That is easing you into the job. You can use this phrase for many situations, like learning a new skill or getting used to a new routine. Easing means doing it gently and carefully. It's not forcing someone to do something fast. Let's see an example. The teacher eased the students into the new topic. She started with simple ideas first. Then she moved to harder parts. This helped students feel confident. Remember, the structure is ease somebody into something. For example, ease the employee into the new role. You can also say, ease him into the project. Be careful not to mix the words. Incorrect. Ease into him the task. Correct. Ease him into the task. Try using this phrase next time you talk about helping someone adapt. It's a great way to sound natural in English. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.